Annual Fish Fair launches with calls for indigenous fish revival as Manipur prepares for Ningol Chakoba celebrations. Police constable shoots sub-inspector colleague at Mongbung Meitei outpost. Investigation underway. Governor celebrates Diwali with CRPF Jawans in Senapati, highlights unity through culture at special exhibition. Diwali celebrations turn hazardous as rockets ignite fire at Changangai residence. And warm wishes pour in from state leaders, CSOs, for Ningol Chakoba celebrations. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam, giving you the news in detail. The annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2024 was inaugurated today at Habta Kangjibung by Rajya Sabha MP Leishiem Basana Jauba, who was joined by Fisheries Minister Haikam Dingo. This event, organized by the Fishery Department, is a long-standing tradition held annually in anticipation of the Ningol Chakoba Festival. This year, the target for fish production is set at 1.5 lakh kilograms. The fair featured 180 stalls and involved participation from 250 fish farmers, showcasing indigenous fish species, agro-horti products, and dedicated stalls for displaced persons. During his address, MP Sanajauba highlighted the deep-rooted connection between Meitei culture and fish, lamenting the decline of many indigenous fish species in Manipur. He emphasized the importance of government efforts to revive these native breeds. As the titular king of Manipur, Sanajauba extended warm wishes to all Ningol on the eve of the Ningol Chakoba festival, which will be celebrated tomorrow. However, he urged the public to observe the festival with minimal festivities, expressing solidarity with those who are bravely protecting the state amidst current challenges. Minister Dingo, in his remarks, pointed out that Manipur imports between 15,000 and 16,000 metric tons of fish annually, resulting in a loss exceeding 200 crore rupees each year. He stressed the necessity for the state to achieve self-sustainability in fish production. Dingo noted the successful revival of indigenous fish species such as Meitei Sereng, Khabag, and Ngaton, which are now being sold to the public, attributing their success to the dedication of both farmers and officials. He concluded his speech by extending greetings for Ningol Chakoba to the people of Manipur.
Chakoba thorongje pangthokpiyu tawadabu ngasagi relief camp da lairiba hun naiba thawai thakro mayam do madu busu kaubi madu ningsang beraka ningol chakoba thorongje pangthokpiyu ado wafam khara chai tendang thamjaraga masi pangthoiba sumaina koigi fish enogi masi melasi ngagi melasi sai khudingi akoi pangthoksi aduga ngase koi aigi imung da su adum pokri da kai da yo pa pokri su laitre laikai we ba kai no somte laitre aduna ne koi ngagi am awat ba lai se du khara akoi community poll ai ngasa hai jegi bido ai ngon da community hall sabiu hai bi ko sima lakpiran ai su sa saro na sima aduga community poll thamsi hai ba de ka dina ai madu ai thawa chang yauna ai sa la kai madu tawjage adu ising yoksi honorable prime minister pamisi tarai ba nong mayam gi ising se yoksan ba maduna ngayok pa ising phajana thamba maduni aduna community poll phajana khoi sengwasi
khoi moroi na fishery department ki minister moi na har badai na tamjang se hayanggi deng bahyang gi ni panba ngo chako bosing la ko tam sida leliba ko di ma sari che pa pun mutta fishery department gi fishery minister moin mo chinjara kan ya pa pawje ya pa mongol fishery ya gi shori ma pamda ai thomjari ha ne smana jaga to loina na asigi sigumba yamna maruiba wadi state asigi ya namata na ba dum fish mela chahi ba mutang pangthok pa sigumba fish mela asibu manipur ka myamna hena mapung phawa mela mo han gi da mutta ai pongna ai khoram jari ha ne su ai so na ai hajani ne.
Today morning at around 10 a.m., Sub-Inspector Muhammad Shah Jahan, the son of the late Muhammad Ibocha and a resident of Yaripok, Tabokpi, was tragically shot by police constable Bikram Akoijam, son of Akoijam Dhananjoy, from Naharup, Pangong. Both officers were stationed at the Mongbung Meitei police outpost at the time of the incident. Following the shooting, SI Shah Jahan was swiftly transported to Jiribam District Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. The circumstances surrounding the shooting remain under investigation. In the aftermath, Constable Akoijam was apprehended and has been handed over to the Jiribam police station for further legal proceedings. Authorities are expected to conduct a thorough investigation into the incident to ascertain the details leading up to this tragic event. The Manipur police yesterday arrested a cadre of the proscribed group Kangleipak Communist Party, identified as Senjam Suras Meitei, aged 25 years, son of S. Nilakamol Meitei, for his alleged involvement in the assault of two individuals from Senapati district. The incident reportedly occurred in the early hours of October 31st in the Lamsang area. According to police sources, a case has already been registered in connection with the assault. The police are currently interrogating the accused to gather further information, and the investigation into the matter is ongoing. A rocket used during Diwali celebrations last night reportedly ignited a fire at the residence in Changangai Mayai Laikai near Tulihal Post Office. The house owned by Maibam Ibomcha, also known as Tompok, was struck by the rocket around 7 p.m., causing significant concern among the residents. Fortunately, neighbors responded promptly and were able to contain the fire before it spread further. In a proactive measure to prevent such incidents during the festivities, fire services had deployed quick response teams at various locations throughout the area. The 67th birth anniversary of the late Irengbam Chauren, a prominent leader of the proscribed group RPF, was commemorated today at Manipur University in Imphal. The event, organized by Irengbam Chauren Memorial Trust, brought together community leaders and academics to honor his legacy. Retired Professor N. Joy Kumar from the Department of History served as the chief guest, while Associate Professor Dr. Arambam Noni from the Department of Political Science and Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram were present as special invitees. The ceremony included a 2-minute silent tribute to Chauren, followed by a memorial lecture delivered by Dr. Noni reflecting on Chauren's contribution and impact. Additionally, prizes were awarded to the winners of the state-level essay writing competition recently organized by the Trust at Ratan Kumar Memorial English School and Pitambara English School. In a heartwarming display of solidarity, Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya visited the Senapati district headquarters yesterday to celebrate Diwali with CRPF Jawans. The governor extended his warm wishes for a joyful Diwali and a fulfilling life to the officers and personnel, sharing sweets and participating in the Barakhana with them. During his visit, Governor Acharya inaugurated an exhibition cum traditional food buffet theme Peace Through Culture and Identity at the Astro Turf Ground organized by the Manipur North Economic Development Association or MANDEA. The event showcased a vibrant display of local culture, and the governor was particularly moved by performances presented by specially able children and women. Additionally, he took the opportunity to engage with representatives from civil society organizations at the Deputy Commissioner's office in Senapati. Upon his arrival, Governor Acharya received a warm welcome from Deputy Commissioner Mamoni Dole, highlighting the spirit of community and unity in the district. In anticipation of the joyous festival of Ningol Chakoba, which falls tomorrow, prominent leaders in Manipur have extended their heartfelt greetings to the people of the state, particularly to the married women. Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya highlighted the significance of the festival, which is celebrated by the Meitei community on the second day of the new moon in the Manipuri month of Hyanggai. He noted that this occasion is marked by brothers inviting their married sisters to their parental homes for a feast, reinforcing familial bonds and social unity. The governor expressed his hope that all communities would celebrate the festival in its true spirit, acknowledging its role in strengthening relationships and promoting social cohesion. Chief Minister Biren Singh also conveyed warm wishes to the people, emphasizing that Ningol Chakoba represents the unbreakable bond of love between siblings and reflects the affection of parents towards their married daughters. He urged everyone to embrace the spirit of togetherness during this vibrant festival, which showcases the rich cultural diversity of Manipur. Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly, T.H. Satyabhatra, paid tribute to the women folk, stating that the festival serves as a grand homage to their roles in the family and society. He expressed hope that on this special day, women would receive the love and respect they deserve. Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh conveyed his warm greetings to all Ningols, emphasizing the festival's symbolism of unity and harmony among the diverse communities in Manipur. He called for the celebration to foster peace and brotherhood, urging everyone to celebrate in the true spirit of the occasion. Additionally, Minister Y. Khemchand extended his wishes, calling for peace and unity among all communities during this festive time. Minister Awangbao Nyumai also extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the daughters of the state on Ningol Chakoba. He emphasized the festival's celebration of family bonds, unity, and cultural values, encouraging all to uphold resilience and support for each other in the spirit of this special day. As Ningol Chakoba approaches, the messages from these leaders reflect a collective commitment to honoring family ties and promoting unity in the culturally rich state of Manipur. With the Ningol Chakoba festival set to be celebrated tomorrow after a one-year hiatus due to the ongoing crisis, BJP Manipur President A. Sarda extended her heartfelt wishes to the people of Manipur, especially to the Ningols. In her message, she emphasized the importance of peace and harmony during this significant occasion. Sarda also reached out to the Ningol inmates in relief camps, encouraging them to stay strong and resilient. Her remarks highlighted a collective hope for unity and support within the community as they prepare to celebrate this cherished festival.
tung koina ekoi punamak ase amatta oina nungsi chanana silingpa oibagi yamna akanba mari ama hena sesana haliba asugumba chakauba se masina lakpa sida ekoi punamak awaba nungaiba punamak kauthoga koi silingpa oibagi mari ase hena sesalannabi pandam thambaga loinana chahi kudingmakki ekoi lepa leitana asigumba thokto kawya roidaba mutpana rodaba sigumba ningol chakauba sibu yamna mami sengna mayek sengna thamamna bhotna mina si haidana inami yamda thamjai amadi ningol loibising amadi ibung yupa oibisingda punsi nungsangba saukhatpa afaba aduga hena ekoi leiramba awaba punamak ekoi sigumba chahi asina lakpada loinamak mangraga ekoi tongan tonganba relief camp da leiriba che ichelsing ibung pasingsu athuba matamda ekoi hanagumna punsi maratana hingba yananabagi ishorna blessing pibiba oisanu amadi ekoi punamak nungsi chanana chetpa mari ase thamchi haiba wafam asi thamjai.
Kumbi Assembly Constituency MLA Sanasam Prem Chandra has also extended heartfelt wishes for Ningol Chakauba, calling for peace and unity among all indigenous communities in Manipur. In his message, he emphasized the significance of the festival as a time for celebration and togetherness, urging everyone to come together in harmony during this important occasion. Prem Chandra's remarks reflect a commitment to fostering solidarity among the diverse peoples of Manipur as they commemorate this cherished festival.
Sadibu sahi siki ningol sakobuna lakpada lamdam asida kundaminariba amadi lamdam Manipur gi nungsiraba ise selsing tongan ba jumna on khrabsing sahi mi amtang thokpa ningol sakobuna lakpasida koi mahausagi silpa koi myamgi ngamjagam jaba puthoknarga harauna taksakho amtang saminaba nongaina mabung mokwasingna por piramba mabung mokwasingasu mase miselsing oibisingda angam hapsaduna laibaki oiba tongan ba satneba kanglon kaya ama kaidoktuna leiriba Manipur sid khundariba proof kaya no asida ekoi jati meitei hairiba jati sigi kwaidi sawo festival lama oiriba koi matam kuina chesel sina amtang yumda lagi bung kwasina sak sara matoi su sakom thung samilaba namit haibi dong lak ningon sakop namit si naksala pagaloina na agen siraba reipa asida lai minariba pur kuding maki chesel singmadi agen sirbi chesel punamakta yai papogel pijari.
Inspector General of Assam Rifles South, Major General Rafrup Singh, along with all ranks of the Assam Rifles, further conveyed their warm wishes to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakauba, expressing hopes that the festival would usher in a period of progress and prosperity for the region. In his message, the IGR South conveyed his belief that the festival would promote unity, integrity, and peaceful coexistence among the state's communities. He expressed the Assam Rifles' commitment to fostering these values, viewing Ningol Chakauba as a celebration that strengthens the bonds of family and community. In a show of solidarity and community spirit, several civil society organizations, CSOs, have extended their warm wishes for Ningol Chakauba. Among those expressing their greetings are the All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUKO, the Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, KADA, and the Ethno Heritage Council, Harikon, Manipur. The organizations emphasized the importance of the festival as a time for celebration and unity among the people of Manipur. They call for continued efforts towards fostering harmony and mutual respect within the community during this significant occasion. In a formal communication address to the Chief Minister of Manipur, the Senapati District Frontal Organization has declared a 24-hour shutdown effective from 4 p.m. today. This action follows a series of distressing incidents that have exacerbated ongoing tensions in the community, particularly regarding harassment and extortion linked to the recent ethnic conflict. The organization cited a grave incident involving 2 local residents, namely V. Harngao Blessen and Dalo So Rimi, who were reportedly targeted in an attempted murder and extorted at gunpoint for a substantial sum of 61,400 rupees. Frustrated by the absence of action and the culprit's attempts to evade accountability, the Senapati District Frontal Organization expressed that their patience has been tested to its limits. In light of these circumstances, the organization feels compelled to impose restrictions on all commercial vehicular traffic movement beyond the Senapati District headquarters, aiming to safeguard the community and restore peace. They also hinted at the possibility of escalating their measures if necessary. The organization urges all parties to take the situation seriously and work towards a resolution that prioritizes the rights and safety of the people in the region. The Thaunaujam Chauba Memorial Charitable Trust held a significant event yesterday at the Phubala Community Hall in Bishnupur district, where pensions were distributed to widows and elderly individuals. A total of 62 beneficiaries received pensions, including 15 new recipients who began their support yesterday. In celebration of the Ningol Chakoba festival, additional traditional wrappers were also distributed to the widows, enhancing the festive spirit of the occasion. During the function, Managing Trustee of the Trust, Thaunaujam Roman, addressed the attendees, explaining that the distribution of pensions had been temporarily halted for several months due to the prevailing situation in the state. He reassured those present of the Trust's ongoing commitment to support the needy and internally displaced persons. Emphasizing the organization's dedication to community welfare, extending warm wishes to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba, the trustee expressed hope that the festival would bring joy and unity to the community.
Ngasi apoigi maitei gi oina waidagi sawa festival Ningol Chakoba laksaba asida sagi ima ibel singda apoina pensingi mathak singduda apoigi trustee makeitagi thi kradam oirasu hapsabani masigi sida apoigi thi gira hapsabasida apoigi ahallaman upa haiba tareko sigi apoigi abung buyau ibo singidi apoi yam sengna ka duda Ningol Chakoba ase sagi ima isi isan singda apoina putol bijabani adugiduna asagi apoigi trustna munna kana jaraba matungduda apoina Ningol Chakoba gi putol ase upa ju yau bisadagadi masi Ningol Chakoba gi putol haibadu oiraroi madugiduna apoigi embiriba asagi apoina pesin ijariba ahallaman sing upa singda apoigi trust ki side gi ju apoigi Manipur gi hi hoba sairau bana lakhu atanda choi apoi abung bogi su ngi abung bogi su apoi ki trust ki side gi apoi choi na budon amjani.
The Ningol Chakoba festival was celebrated yesterday at a relief camp in Dulalan organized by the Thangjing Thumpers Moira. This special event aimed to honor and uplift the women folk residing in the camp, showcasing the cultural beauty of the bonds between brothers and sisters. The celebration featured traditional rituals, performances, and a communal feast, emphasizing the significance of family ties and unity within the community. Attendees engaged in various activities that highlighted the spirit of Ningol Chakoba, a festival deeply rooted in the Meitei culture which symbolizes love, respect, and the strengthening of familial bonds. The organizers expressed their gratitude for the opportunity to bring joy and a sense of normalcy to the women at the camp, reinforcing the importance of community support during challenging times. A 15-day workshop on rites, the passes of Sanamahism, was inaugurated today by Minister S. Ranjan at the Liningtho Sanamahi Temple Board premises in Imphal. The event, jointly organized by the Liningtho Sanamahi Temple Board and Manipur University of Culture, drew an impressive gathering including Vice President of the Temple Board Vidyapati Senjam, also known as Wakhal Lamjingba, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture Professor Paunam Gunindro, and SCERT Director Ahibam Rommel, among other distinguished guests. The inauguration featured traditional performances that enrich the cultural significance of the workshop. The Kabui Loishang presented the Yupun Thaba and Meitei Chingba, showcasing the vibrant rituals associated with Sanamahism. This was followed by a performance from the Pena Loishang, who performed the Maira Thogal, further immersing attendees in the cultural heritage of the region. Minister Ranjan expressed his appreciation for the collaborative efforts of the organizing bodies and emphasized the importance of preserving and promoting Sanamahi traditions through such educational initiatives. The workshop aims to deepen participants' understanding of the cultural rites and their relevance in contemporary society, fostering a sense of identity and continuity within the community. Before we end, the headlines once again. Annual fish fair launches with calls for indigenous fish revival as Manipur prepares for Ningol Chakoba celebrations. Police constable shoots sub-inspector colleague at Mongbung Meitei outpost. Investigation underway. Governor celebrates Diwali with CRPF Jawans in Senapati. Highlights unity through culture at special exhibition. Diwali celebration turned hazardous as rocket ignites fire at Changangai residence. And warm wishes pour in from state leaders, CSOs, for Ningol Chakoba celebrations. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.